Hi everybody, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download your font and import it into your computer's font library so it can be used across your programs. So once you're in Fontstruct, what you're going to do once you have all of your letters created, you're going to go ahead and click download. The download is going to open up a zip file. So once the zip file has downloaded, go ahead and open that up. And you'll notice that you have a license, a README file, and then you actually have your TrueType font file. This is going to be the one that we're going to be using. So make sure you click on Extract All. This is going to make sure that all of the files within the zip folder are usable. And we're going to drag this slightly off to the side. Now go to your Start tab and type in Font Settings. You'll see it pop up right here. And this is going to open up a new window. What you can do is you can drag and drop to install new files. So click and hold on your font. I'll make this window a little bit smaller. Click and hold on the font that you created and drag it into your folder, this box in your folder to install. And you'll notice that it pops up here. My font is incomplete, which is why you're not seeing everything here, but yours should be fully complete so you can actually see all the letters and numbers. So go ahead and do that and experiment with what it looks like in Photoshop.